Hello everyone, the third part is about the details. First, leave in at once a layer on the top of the head. Take a width of 5 cm and thickness of 0.5 to 1 cm, and pinch the hairpiece with left hand, but it cannot be too far from the scalp. When the hair gun can be put into the hairpiece, then it will be okay. The hair gun shall be connected with the hairpiece and then connect with the scalp without any gap. The locking part shall be parallel with the branch line. The hairpiece in left hand shall also connect with scalp without any gap, and then swirl slightly to connect with the hair gun. Let the hair enter the locking part. Okay, at this moment, do not move your left hand and press with your right hand until finish hair extension. Leave hold of your left hand, open the hair extension gun with both hands. Push the block backwards and pinch the hairpiece with your left hand, then take it out. The hair extension is finished.